Okay, my God, it's so fucking loud outside. What the fuck? Hello, you guys. Ooh, let me charge her up, darling. Okay, hello, you guys. So today we are doing me hair. It's wash day, and yeah, I'm so excited. First, I like to detangle my hair. Okay, y'all are gonna see the whole process actually. So I'm gonna set y'all up really quick, turn on my lights, and we're gonna get to it, honey. I also have like what seems to be a rash right here. I've gotten this before and I'm not for sure why, but I put some Aquaphor on it. And we're just gonna cross our fingers. Typically it goes away. I don't know why I get that though. Very strange. Anyways, yeah, let's get into my wash day routine. I'm still learning actually, like what to do throughout this routine. So if you have any tips, I do welcome them, but be respectful, be helpful, not demanding, but like, hi, like this is informative and I think it would really help you. So I appreciate those kind of comments. I appreciate that kind of help. If you're like, that's not right, you doing it wrong, you're gonna irritate me and I may just block you. I don't want to have to do that, but I'm not above it. So yeah, keep it cute. But okay, let's get into it. It's kind of late, but anyways, I'm gonna walk y'all through this entire process. So as you can see, I like to this is how I kind of like keep my hair sectioned at night so that when I pull it out of the scrunchies, it's good when I wake up. Anyways, I like to start by detangling my hair before I wash it. So I was using the rest of this detangling spray because I had it left over from when I combed up my locks. Anyways, I have this Tweezerman brush and I like that more than I like a wide tooth comb, or I have another detangling product but I forgot what it is. But then I just detangle my hair obviously, and then I put it in some twists. That way when I shampoo my hair, I can get to the scalp really easily, because my hairstylist told me that that's what you're doing when shampooing. Also, I have my retainer, so if it sounds like I'm speaking funny, that's why. Anyways, so yeah, I pretty much just put my hair in all these twists, and then I go to the kitchen because it's easier for me to do my hair in the kitchen. I start by watering my hair, and I said watering my hair, getting my hair wet, and I'm gonna be using the Olaplex shampoo. And yeah, I kind of like this stuff. What I like about it the most is that it lathers really easily and you don't need a lot of this product at all. So I really like that, and I don't mind the smell. When I show you my conditioner, that conditioner lingers and I hate that. It smells good like in the moment for a brief period of time, but like after a while you're like, what the fuck is that smell? And it's that nasty conditioner. I'm probably gonna have to cut out all the curse words. Anyways, I had to get the back of my head because, you know, sometimes you're missing a spot. So I just grabbed some more shampoo and, you know, clean my scalp real good, and then I started rinsing everything out, and yeah. Okay, so this is when I realized I still had shampoo in my hair, and I was trying to decide if I was going to take out the twists now, I think. And then I was like, yeah, I'm going to take out the twist. So I took out the twist, and then I rinsed my hair again just to make sure that the shampoo was completely out of my hair. So this is the conditioner I was talking about, the Miel, I think it's like moisturizing conditioner. I have a story about this. That bottle actually cut out of me. I'm actually really upset. My pinky is destroyed. I don't know how that happened, but I was trying to get all of the product out of the bottle and it tried to sever off my pinky. Anyways, I like to go through and detangle each section of my hair in order to condition it, and I will admit this is very time consuming, but as you can see, the right side of my hair look so much better than the left side because I have more product on that side. And like I said, I was running out of product, which is how I ended up almost cutting off my finger. So yeah, I'd say definitely go through in sections and detangle when conditioning your hair. Next, I was just trying to get my hair out of my face, and as you can see, my hair is just very stubborn. No matter how much I detangle it, it's going to, you know, she's just a little stubborn, okay? But anyways, then I went to the bathroom to actually do my hair. This is my second time trying to do this. And I just figured that I would try to section parts rather than just try to go in with my fingers and make a part. So I ended up going in with the comb to make like more specific parts. Is that the word I'm looking for? Yeah, just like clearer parts in my hair, whatever. And detangle your hair with some water. And I use the Miel curling mousse. Rake it through my hair. Make sure you get as close to the root as you can without touching your scalp. Then I went in with the Curl Magic curl stimulator, which I do like. And the only thing I will say is I ended up going in really small, like kind of sections, and I don't really think it adds more definition. Like maybe, I guess I can't really say because I haven't tried bigger sections, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do kind of like bigger sections next time to see if it makes a huge difference, because that'll save me so much more time. Other than that though, it's pretty straightforward. I just did the sections all the way up the back of my head, and then I watched someone else's video and they kind of put the hair in the direction they wanted it to go. So I did the same thing when I got to the halfway mark of my hair and just put the rest of my hair going forward, aside from obviously the side pieces. I just put them going down. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this. So this is where I started to blow dry my hair because I felt like it was drying too fast. Or not, it was drying too fast. I was just going too slow. So I decided to kind of stretch it with my hands, but I had oil on my hands while I stretched it. If you have a blow dry that has one of those like combs that stretch your hair while it's blow drying, just use that. I just don't have that currently, but when I get one, I will use that. So then I finished the rest of my head. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like my hair. I just wanted to say that, hi guys, I'm kind of confused that nobody explained to me, or maybe this is common sense, actually. In order to get the look that I say that I want in the next 2 clips, I was saying how I didn't get the volume that I was expecting. Just undo the coils and it's gonna give you obviously more volume. I didn't know that, but I figured that out within like the next 2 days. I was like, oh, let me just try to undo the coils. And then I picked my hair a little bit and it was fab. So just do that. If you want me to do a video on that specifically, just let me know. But yeah. Anyways, if you don't like my hair, that's okay. In comparison to how my stylist did it, I think I did a pretty good job. I would prefer to have a little bit more volume, but I'll get better. I'll get better. I'm pretty satisfied with what I got. Once again, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys in my next video.